Embark on a transformative journey with Rootie Duo, an innovative solution to the silent battle against hair loss. Break free from the meticulous minoxidil routine that entails careful hand washing, application precision, and patient testing. It's time to bid farewell to the cumbersome cycle that has characterized your daily struggle thus far. Rootie Duo emerges as the beacon of change, turning your everyday challenge into a swift and efficient 15-second ritual. Its precision lies in the gentle parting of your hair, skillfully converting your chosen hair tonic into micro-molecules for an even and comprehensive distribution across your scalp. Harnessing the power of 65 taps, this device not only boosts efficacy but also maximizes absorption, seamlessly integrating into your routine. What sets Rootie Duo apart is the unparalleled massage experience it offers. This isn't just a functional device, it's an indulgence like no other. The red light feature takes the experience a step further by stimulating follicles and promoting optimal blood circulation, ensuring that your efforts yield remarkable results. Say goodbye to the frustrations of overuse and the mess associated with traditional methods. With Rootie Duo, you can now effortlessly dive into your hair care routine, choosing your preferred hair tonics without any hassle. And here's the best part. You can accomplish all of this within the brief time it takes to pour your morning coffee. Rootie becomes your best-kept secret, offering an effective and enjoyable hair loss treatment experience that fits seamlessly into your daily life. My pursuit of ultralight backpacking adventures is akin to embarking on a giant and enduring venture. Beyond mere courage and perseverance, the significance of obtaining good rest and carrying a light pack cannot be overstated. This is where FlexTail comes to my aid. I value the efficiency of the zero pump, swiftly inflating my sleeping pads and facilitating the assembly of my sleep system in no time. For me, each morning signifies a new beginning, a fresh opportunity to continue the unfolding story of my adventure. The zero pump, with its quick deflation of my sleeping bag, ensures that I start each day energized and prepared to tackle any challenges that lie ahead. The significance of lightweight and reliable gear goes beyond enhancing my flexibility. It instills confidence in me. Every step I take becomes an opportunity for personal growth amidst the wild challenges. In my journey, I've learned to shed unnecessary burdens, allowing me to explore the world more profoundly. Recognizing that every gram is crucial, I opt for gear that is light, lighter, and the lightest, aiding me in reaching the summit. Over the past 8 years, I've witnessed a profound transformation, not just in the gears provided by FlexTail, but in my entire outdoor life. The days of exertion and exhaustion are replaced by ease and confidence, thanks to the innovative offerings of FlexTail. FlexTail paves the way for lightweight breakthroughs, allowing me to immerse every second in the great outdoors and push my limits. This time, I reached the peak with my trusted zero pump, symbolizing not just a summit achievement, but a testament to the transformative journey that FlexTail has been a part of. Step into a new era of cat care with the Neakasa M1 cat litter box, a sophisticated fusion of functionality and elegance. Boasting 5 user-friendly buttons, this litter box offers more than just a convenient operation. It provides ample space for cat litter, ensuring a clean and luxurious experience for your feline companion. The Neakasa M1 introduces a gradual cleaning method, eliminating concerns about soft or unburied litter. Imagine a seamless and hassle-free poop time in an open environment with smooth litter, complemented by the continuous cleaning function that guarantees freshness with every use. This litter box isn't just about functionality, it's designed with your cat's comfort in mind. Offering an open environment and a smooth litter surface, the Neakasa M1 transforms bathroom time into a stress-free and enjoyable experience for your furry friend. Tailored for cats of all types, the Neakasa M1 allows for easy entry and exit without compromising on security. Your discerning cats can navigate effortlessly, experiencing both privacy and security during their most personal moments. For the tech-savvy pet owners, The Neakasa M1 cat litter box seamlessly integrates with a dedicated app, offering detailed insights into your cat's habits. Stay informed about your assistant's work, ensuring their well-being with the MIAA Open Delight, a perfect combination of modern technology and feline-friendly design. In summary, the Neakasa M1 isn't just a practical addition to your home, it's a luxurious experience for both cats and their human companions. Elevate your cat care routine with this innovative solution, designed to bring joy to your feline friends and ease to the pet parenting experience. Planning a trip or venturing off the grid with family? The summer heat might give you second thoughts, but fear not. Zero Breeze, a pioneer in outdoor air conditioning, continues to elevate the experience. Introducing the Mark I, the lightest, smallest, and most powerful portable air conditioner on the market. With twice the cooling capacity of its predecessor, the Mark I remains just as compact. The Mark III takes outdoor comfort to new heights. Offering a comfortable night's sleep and a refreshed morning, it is the perfect companion for any adventure, be it a family trip or rooftop tank outdoor living. Comfort is not just an option, it's a necessity. A simple button press cools the air, and thermostat settings allow you to customize the temperature for the air outlet or the entire room. With 7 modes tailored to your needs, the Mark III handles both cooling and heating effortlessly. Whether you're setting the temperature at the campsite or activating rocket mode, you'll feel cool in no time. Outdoor adventures aren't always accompanied by perfect weather, but with the Mark III, no more waking up in a clammy tent. Operating at just 46 decibels, you won't even notice it's there. The active drain system, allowing the drain pipe to be 59 inches higher than the drain outlet, and the upgraded power supply system ensure you stay powered up wherever you are. It's not just an air conditioner, it's a 48-volt cooling system that supports simultaneous charging and discharging. From scorching heat to chilly nights, the Mark III is your all-season solution. This revolutionary device is your must-have for outdoor life. Join our campaign now and let's redefine the outdoor comfort industry together. Introducing Ring 1, the world's pioneering smart ring offering advanced health tracking and on-the-go payments. A top-notch sleep tracker. Ring 1 is lightweight and comfortable for night and day wear, providing comprehensive vital tracking during sleep. It identifies 4 sleep stages, offering detailed insights to gauge your readiness for the day. Simply turn the ring to initiate your workout mode, where Ring 1 measures advanced metrics such as V2 max zones, training strain index, and workout recovery, optimizing your fitness gains. With the ability to detect various workouts like running and swimming, Ring 1 allows you to inspire and compete with friends, pushing you to achieve new personal bests. Crafted with titanium grade 2 and zirconia, Ring 1 is durable, scratch-resistant, and built to last. Its multi-layered coating ensures resilience. Beyond fitness, Ring 1 empowers overall well-being by tracking vitals 24/7, detecting minute changes in temperature, and monitoring menstrual cycles. It aids stress management and mindfulness, calculating unique indicators like heart coherence and relaxation indices to enhance productivity. A marvel of engineering, Ring 1 features a one-of-a-kind turn-wheel interface, offering simplicity in mode switching. Equipped with research-grade optical PPG sensors, temperature sensor, 3D accelerometer, and gyroscope, Ring 1 provides accurate health data on the move. Not just tech, Ring 1 boasts a band-style design with multiple color variants, seamlessly blending with your lifestyle. Make convenient and secure payments with a turn of the ring, as it supports Visa and MasterCards managed through the Muse app. The smart charging case extends battery life by 30 days, and Ring 1's Glyph interface offers quick access to important information. Locate the ring and its case effortlessly with the case buzzer, even in the dark. ensuring a seamless connection to make your life easy. After years of innovation, Ring 1 redefines smart rings with its advanced features and stylish design.